In this video, we'll take a quick look into the Popfizz AP CSA curriculum endorsed by the College Board. Popfizz AP CSA aligns 100% with the CED, so it's easy to know how it maps to the AP classroom content. There are hundreds of secure practice questions, and 90% of all labs are auto-graded. What's unique about Popfizz AutoGrader is that the test file is right there for the students to see, so there is no guesswork in how their code is going to work. When students get stuck, they can get help from hints and explanations. There are also open-ended projects where students can flex their creativity. A solution guide is provided to help you grade them and give feedback. There are step-by-step video instructions, visual aids, and plenty of sample code to help students learn the complex programming concepts in a fun and relatable way. Also, the curriculum includes all AP CSA Labs: Magpie, Consumer Review Lab, the Data Lab, Steganography, Celebrity, and the 11s. The labs are scaffolded with additional instructions and questions. Track your students' progress and don't let anyone fall behind. Download the customizable teacher resource such as lesson slides and solution guides. Control access to the content, release preloaded assignments and exams with a click of a button, or add your own. Integrate with your learning management system and streamline your tools. If you have your own question sets and projects, add them using the custom content creator. Also, any project that students work on can be exported to students' own workspace, so they can keep working on it and share it with the world. There is so much more, so try out Popfizz AP CSA today.